area is rich in black soil because it is made up of volcanic and lava rock, and this whole area is known as Deccan Trap. Beta, the grey one portion you can see, this is the westward extension of Deccan Trap, and due to this number of industries, cotton textile industries are located with this area because there is a cultivation of cotton balls. Clear? So this is the Deccan Trap. Now if state wise I will explain you, so it covers some part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and maximum part of Maharashtra. This is the Deccan Trap. Now we will look for the features of Deccan Trap. The black soil area of Peninsular Plateau is known as Deccan Trap. Okay, the question can be asked, what is Deccan Trap? So the black soil area, black soil rich area of Peninsular Plateau lie towards the northwest direction. If Deccan Trap Plateau, you will see the direction. So this is northwest direction of Deccan Peninsular Plateau, and this area is known as Deccan Trap. This is of volcanic origin. I told you that it is made up of volcanic rocks, hence the rocks are igneous. Actually these rocks have denuded over time and are responsible for the formation of black soil. Beta, denudation is a process which means erosion. Okay, denudation is a synonym of erosion. So due to rain or due to water or wind, these rocks are denuded or eroded over the time, and thus there is the formation of black soil. This black soil is good for the cultivation of cotton balls. Now the Aravalli Hills lie on the western and northwestern margins of the Peninsular Plateau. This is the western and northwestern boundary of the Deccan Plateau. Towards its western and northwestern margin, there is the Aravalli Hills. These are highly eroded hills and are found as broken hills. Yes beta, Aravalli Hills are also the fold mountains made up of sedimentary rocks, and these are the eroded mountains. These earlier it was a high mountain, but with the passage of time these mountains eroded, and due to this these are now counted as hills, and they are counted as eroded hills and are found as broken. Yes, the stretch of Aravalli Hills was from Gir forest to Delhi. Beta, the earlier when it was in different geological period, so it was a long stretch mountain range, but nowadays in between these hills are broken. So these are also known as the broken hills. This is another name for the Aravalli Hills. Okay, this is very important question for very short. They extend from Gujarat to Delhi in southwest northeast direction. Yes, they extend from Gujarat, Gir forest, near Gir forest to Delhi, but in between nowadays these hills are dissected due to erosion, either by water or by wind, or due to some construction work also. So now they are known as broken hills. Now here in this map you can see, in another map I will show you the Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, this is the west and northwest boundary to the Deccan Trap. Okay, and these hills stretch from Gir mountain to Delhi. This was the from south west to northeast direction. This is the direction of the Aravalli Hills, but at present these Aravalli Hills are found only in Rajasthan. Okay, means because in between somewhere due to development or urbanization or industrialization or natural disasters, these are broken and dissected. Now here you can see These are the Aravalli Hills. Basically, this time the Aravalli Hills have this stretch only, but actually the Aravalli Hills stretch from Gir mountains from here. With this you can see these hills have the stretch from here to Delhi. So they were these hills were running from southwest to northeast direction. At present this is the Aravalli Hills. This gives western and northwestern boundary to this Deccan Plateau, Deccan Trap. Okay, now after that we will look for the Indian desert. Indian desert is also known as Thar desert. Beta, there is due to typing error there is no gap. Actually these are the two different terms. This is Thar, this is desert. This is the name of this desert, Indian desert. Indian desert is having a name, that is Thar desert. It is also known as Thar desert. Here in